When I came the first time in Dubai 3 years ago and like saw the tower, I was like, wow, like this is the dream, you know, it's like it's the highest building in the world. We don't like to scare ourselves, you know, that's not the goal, you know. People think that you base jump because you're crazy, you like to get scared, but I mean, we like to fly, you know, when we like to have fun, you know, so if you are scared, if you scare yourself, there is no fun.
C'est bon? Allez, c'est à toi.
But I decided that I was going to go above my fear and jump. I will always remember that moment I jumped out. I was so scared. But as soon as I stabilized in free fall, I was flying. The feeling was incredible. So I finished the jump, opened my parachute, I land next to my dad, and then my mom, she takes me in her arm and she tells me, please, my son, tell me you didn't like it. Sorry, Mom, yes, I loved it. And since that day, I never stopped dreaming about flying. Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fear. So all those flying techniques that we showed you earlier gave us solid roots to think outside the box and to realize projects that seemed impossible at first.
Today, we would like to share with you the 3 keys which help us to succeed in our project and to reach 200 million views on our latest video that we are going to present now. By the way, you guys have reports with figures. Let me share the figures we got from Red Bull, our sponsor. After 24 hours, we were on more than 400 TV channels, and there was more than 150 million impressions on the web. After 1 week, more than 1,000 TV channels, and there was more than 500 million impressions on the web. Only major sports finals have this high number of results, or terror attacks and large natural disasters.
So we were in my apartment in Dubai with Fred last year. Oh, and by the way, to clarify the situation, Fred and I, we are not married. We are just roommates, time to time. And on that particular day, I woke up with a dream. So I went into my living room where Fred was, and I told him, bro, I just had that dream where we were flying back into the plane, but jumping from the mountain. What do you think?
I think you're even more crazy than I thought. No, seriously, Vince's idea scared me a bit when I heard it. But on the other hand, I could also imagine how big the project would be. It's totally another thing than doing this from the plane. The main danger of doing this from a mountain is that we would have to use a base jumping parachute that does not have any safety device to open the canopy in case you get knocked out. And on the other hand, the difficulty would be to synchronize a plane flying at 150 kilometers per hour and us with a start at no speed. But I trusted him, and we started to look into details how we could make this possible. So we went to Switzerland, we did a record jump, and we realized that we found the perfect spot.
So we would jump from the summit of Jungfrau at more than 4,000 meters. And the goal would be to chase the plane and fly back into it. So now, we had the dream, we had the team, we only needed to manage the risk and start training to be ready.
Key number 3, risk management. With Vince, we accept to take some risk, to innovate, and to realize our dreams. But we also fear this risk. Fear is a good thing. It keeps us alive. So our goal is to manage the risk and reduce them as much as possible.
And when we were in free fall, flying next to the plane, the door looked very small. So we had to be very precise to fly back into it.
So after 1 month of training and flying in formation with the plane, we decided that it was time for us to try to fly back inside. But as you will see, the first tries didn't work as planned.
Has it ever happened to you to do something again and again because you want to reach your goal more than anything?
So with the support of the whole team and a good debrief, we got ready for the third attempt of flying into a plane from a mountain. And 2 hours later, we were back to the summit.
C'est loupé.
Ça y est, mon Vince, on y est, c'est le grand jour. On va partir. Allez, on y va. On est parti.
Attention, attention. Go. Je les vois pas. Moi non plus, faut que je les ai contactés. Ok, vous pouvez voler sur moi. Ok, j'ai contact avec le mille. Contact avec le mille, c'est bon. Et go for entry, go for entry. Ok, on est en approche. Les vite qui se rapprochent. C'est bien bas, assez loin. Voilà, il est en approche. Okay, we've got one ready for the second one. Oh yes! Yes! Oh my god!
You are never too old. You're never too old. Never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream.
So now, what are your dreams?
Do you trust yourself and your team?
Are you ready to open your mind? Thank you.
Thank you. Je te concentre par devant.